Raj Puraskar, Aditya T. She is getting the certificate from our Honorable Minister, and with that Scout salute. Thank you so much. God bless you. Arinanda PV. Arinanda PV. Again, class 10 student. She is getting the certificate from our Honorable Minister. Arinanda PV, thank you. Samvrida C. Samvrida C is here. She is getting it from our Honorable Minister. Thank you. Janvi PV. Janvi PV. Janvi is here with that. Okay, good. Thank you. Jyotika Jagadisa. Jyotika is here. That's Scout salute, and thank you, Jyotika. Congratulations. Devangana S. Nambia. Devangana is here. She is getting a certificate. That's Scout salute and things. Thank you very much. And finally, Akshara Rajesh. Akshara Rajesh.